to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing and absolutely incredible day. In this video, we're going to be talking about how you can set up pre-orders on your Shopify in the easiest, most simple way possible. Okay, so to do so, all you're going to do is you're going to move over down to your settings in your Shopify. Okay, and you're going to come over to the apps and sales channel. And once you do that, obviously you're going to head yourself over to the Shopify App Store. Now, once you go to the Shopify App Store, obviously, again, I'm going to assume that your shop, like you already know how to use the Shopify App Store. So if you do that, obviously you're going to come here, you're just going to write pre-order. Okay, now once you write pre-order, what's going to happen? It's going to give you tons and tons of apps. Now, there's many apps that you can choose from, okay? I personally prefer like an app with the most reviews. So Preorder now WOD is the one with the most reviews. So it's a free plan for 14 days, so you can just get it. So to get it, obviously all you're gonna do is you're gonna click on Add App, and once you click on Add App, obviously it's gonna give you the pre-order feature, and obviously from there on out, add this app, connect it to your Shopify accordingly. And it's just going to give you the option to install. So once you install it, obviously it's going to start giving you the option to place pre-orders on your store. So just accordingly work with it, integrate it, and yeah, as you can see, that's how you install and add pre-order to your Shopify store. So yeah, that's about it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.